Hello, friends. This is the ESO channel.
And I have a welding rotator in the background right now. This is one of our products, our product line. Accordingly, let me remind you that we are engaged in the production of snack products as well as equipment to optimize snack production. Well, and directly watch this video to the end, because at the end of the video, I will tell you what a cool offer we have prepared for you to buy this welding rotator from us. Now I will tell you about the technical characteristics and in general about the functionality of this equipment directly. We are dealing with augers and we are here on the welding rotator. It helps us to weld augers directly. Here we have a stainless steel tether. This functionality, i.e. the billet, some kind of axis is fixed on this movable part and by rotating the welder does not move away from the billet. He is simply fixed, and with the help of rotation, he makes the weld. So, what's the advantage? He doesn't have to end the workpiece, somehow get underneath, respectively, the seam is uniform, well, and there is an acceleration of the incident, respectively, you will save a lot of money. And accordingly, you will avoid various complaints, because, well, really, the welds improve in quality. Let me briefly tell you about our cool offer. Look, we also have on sale machines of the GP series, which you have already heard about, which can bend snack coils from 2 to 50 millimeters thick. And their diameter is not limited. We have bent on these machines the diameter of snacks more than 2 meters. Accordingly, if you purchase from us a machine of GP series, you can also buy an addition welding rotator, but at a discount. The discount is 34,000 rubles. That is, directly purchase a machine GP, and in addition here is such an accessory, which will help you optimize any welding post. You will be in a group of coils, and directly at welding you will already be optimized welding process. This is such a cool offer we have prepared for you, friends. So the information will be on the link in the description, and also on the phone number that will pop up on the screen. Call the manager, and he will explain to you in detail about the nuances of this promotion. Thank you for your attention.